Hey YouTube, we are off in Magic Kingdom Part 2. I hope you guys have been liking these YouTube videos. So, let's just make this a vlog and make this a good day. What's that? I'm just walking around right now. This is my outfit. I just put my pearl necklace on, this romper, my hair's in a braid, got my backpack, and my backpack on. And I have my feelers on because with the softest shoes in the world. If you're doing this stuff, definitely have some soft shoes on. And I just put some concealer on and some white powder and some purple sparkly lipstick on. Claire's put some mascara on, some eyebrows, and put some like light blue eyeshadow on. So yeah, that's basically my fit. So we're walking around, and me, my mom, my dad, and my sister. My sister's off in the front stroller. I don't know if you guys can see her, but yeah. And I really hope I don't get copyrighted from the music. And there is big long lines everywhere.
Is this Safari?
Africa. We gotta wait till we can get in. Hold that for a second. It just got dropping on the floor.
Dad.
Okay, hold on, don't. I'll get it. Walk. So that's it.
Sorry about the sinkhole. Sorry about the sinkhole. I had to put our camera around my.
You're okay. I can go around. Go right. All right, I'm going this way. To your right.
Okay, sorry. That's a really bad angle.
Nope, right.
Just got really bright. My camera. We're now at Africa. Trying to make this like a vlog, kind of like a video. Yeah, this works. I got it.
Make sure we don't go under the road. Make sure we go around the road.
It's 7:30.
didn't do too bad. There isn't very many people here. I said we didn't do too bad. There isn't very many people here, so it's probably not going to be a long wait.
Come here. Don't go past us. We got a lot of space.
See you guys in part 3.